Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can buy a treasury bill on Treasury Direct. Now there are a few other brokerages that you can buy treasury bills, but I believe that buying it straight from the federal government is the easiest way. So the first thing that you need to do is look up Treasury Direct. You will see treasurydirect.gov. Go ahead and click on that one. And then ignore everything else and either log in. If you're new, go ahead and open a new account. Okay, so you first need to choose what type of account you want. So you want to do apply now. If you have a business and you're wanting to make the account through that business, you would use one of these, but for our scenario, and most likely yours, you're going to go ahead and do individual. Then go ahead and press submit. You will then fill out personal information such as your contact, your address, your social security number, and your driver license. After you're done, go ahead and click agree and submit. Then you should be in your account. Okay, so now we're all logged in. Now our goal is to buy a 1-month treasury bill. So we will first go up here to buy direct and we'll click on that. Now Treasury Direct offers other different products besides just treasury bills, but the one we want is right here. So we'll click on that and then click submit. As you can see, we have many options from anywhere from a 4-week treasury bill all the way to a 50-week treasury bill. The next thing we want to look at is the auction date and the issue date. Let's say I choose a 4-week treasury bill and the auction date is 4/16/2024. That is when they will be deciding the percentage, so the interest rate for that treasury bill, and the issue date is when that money will leave your bank account. Then 1 month later, you'll get your money back. Let's say you want to see what interest rate you can get currently. You'll scroll down and you'll go to view recent auction results and you'll click on that. Scroll down. Like I said, there's other products that they offer, but the one we're focusing on is treasury bills. So there's different weeks. We want a 4-week treasury bill, which is just 1 month long. And then we can look at the investment rate, which is 5.365. So then we'll go back and we'll put a purchase amount. Let's say we want to put $5,000 in a 1-month treasury bill. So we'll put $5,000. And it's asking you where you want the money to come out from, so make sure you have your bank in there. Then it asks you if you want to reinvest your treasury bill. So after 1 month after it matures, do you want to put that money back into another treasury bill? I have no selected. Then it asks you where do you want the money you invested and the interest to go into. And I say back into the bank account it came from. Then lastly, you click submit. It will then verify what you ordered, letting you know the money will be coming out the 21st, and then you click submit. Then you'll get confirmation of the order and you're all set. Now, if you have any other questions regarding treasury bills or you still don't understand what they are, feel free to watch my other video about treasury bills that I'll link below.